Poštovani gledalci, dobro večer. Neprijateljski avioni agresorskih NATO snaga oko 20 časova izvršili su prve raketne napade na našu zemlju. Avijacija NATO je večeras u prvom talasu agresije na našu zemlju gađala ciljeve u Prištini, Kuršumliji, Užicu, Danilovgradu, Novom Sadu, Pančevu i Podgorici, nezvanično saznatanju od vojnih vlasti. Prilikom napada korišteni su vazdušni prostori Hrvatske, Mađarske i Albanije, obaveštavaju vojne vlasti.
Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Tell me